Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. We're opening one I haven't opened probably in multiple years, I don't know. We have Allure beauty box. So I'm super excited. Thank you to Diana who talked me into getting this box. No, I totally wanted to. So this is obviously a beauty subscription, and this month when you subscribed for the first time, you got an extra gift. So that's one of two items I know that's inside. The rest will be a surprise. We'll be opening this together. And it was a bronzer, which I needed, and it's by Charlotte Tilbury, I believe. So I'm super excited because I need a new bronzer super bad. And yeah, it's $25 a month. There was a code that saved me $5. I did pay for this one myself. If that code's still active, I will link it down below. I don't think they have a referral program or anything like that, but if I find out they do, I may possibly have a referral link down below. But yeah, super excited. Let's get this open and see what we have inside. It's been a while since I opened, well, since I bought my own beauty box. The only other beauty box we've opened recently is the Chic beauty box, which I do really enjoy, but I've been missing these types of boxes. So I'm gonna open it up. This is what it looks like. It says, "We know beauty best." Yeah, and it talks about how they've been a touchstone in the beauty industry. It's true. I always think of their beauty awards. So here we've got a little piece of paper and then all the goodies inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I used to have, well, I still kind of do, but a lot's expired. I had so many beauty products when I used to get so many beauty boxes, and now I don't have that much stuff comparatively. And I'm really needing to restock and things, so I'm so excited. Yeah, when I open it up, it talks about the free gift here. Did everyone get this, or was this a free gift for new members? Let's start with that since I already talked about it. But it looks like the theme for this month, is this the April or the, yeah, it must be the April box. Yeah, April Allure Beauty Box is Freshen Up, which I think goes great with spring. So let's look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Is this it? Yeah. I didn't expect their packaging to look like this for some reason. I thought it would be more simple. There's a bunch of words on here. Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer, smoothing, healthy looking glow cream bronzer for face and body infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin D. So I was able to pick out my shade. So I got the fairest of the shades, fair slash pale. I guess pale or fair in French is pale or pale. I don't know. That's funny. Ooh, it's supposed to be sweat proof. I'm a little sweaty. Oh my god, this is a huge size. I'm excited. I still can't get over all the words. I don't know why I thought they had more like simple, sleek packaging. Not like it's bad, but this is a huge compact. Ooh. So it looks like a powder. There's a big mirror. There you guys, my phone. I want to smell it. Is that weird? There's like, I don't think they have any artificial scents in there, but it kind of smells good. Oh, it is creamy. I'm so excited. And I think this should be a good shade match for me. I have gotten more color on my face and my chest. Like I go on walks every morning before 10 a.m. so I don't get burnt or anything, but I've been getting a little bit of color. Ooh, I think I really will like this. I'm super excited about this. And this is a retail value of $58. So this is like getting 2 Allure boxes. Oh man, I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to see how it performs on my skin. But you guys, wow, we have a decent amount of products in there. So it looks like we have some full size and some deluxe size. I couldn't remember how they do it, but holy shit, I'm super excited about that. So they have 4 shades, it looks like. And with bronzers, I feel like that's okay. So they do have a deep shade as well. And the fair shade, I feel like this really blended well, so it could work for people even more fair than me. But let me know. So they give you some like information on why they love their products and how they'll use it, or how they use it and how they recommend we use it. Even like a little quote from a user or an editor. Nice. So let's move on. It looks like we have a perfume. We're just gonna go in order of this, I guess. Is this it? I've had this before, I think. Well, I've had this brand. I'm excited. I love fragrance. I'm really getting into that. And I love perfume oils, which this is by Rosie Jane is the brand. I've had their stuff before, but this is their fragrance perfume oil, I should say, Missy. Yeah, Missy. Wow, this is $45 for the 7 ml roll-on bottle. Oh, I got the sweat glow going. Does this smell summery? Wait. It does. It has like a coconut scent. It smells like summer. Let's read what the notes are. I wasn't expecting that. I'm like, wait, was it? Because you know sometimes bronzers have coconut type scents, or at least, you know, that one does. Butter bronzer. Oh, this smells good. All right, so the summery blend of mandarin and coconut. Definitely more of the coconut than the mandarin. Oh my god, yeah, it's a reminiscent of a warm, relaxing day at the beach when by sunset your skin is scented with sunscreen and the salt of the ocean. It really is like that. Wow. This roller ball easily fits in handbags, even an evening clutch, which makes it perfect pick me up for anytime, anywhere. This is a great daytime scent, especially for the summertime. It's already summer weather where I am. I can't stop sniffing it, so that's a good thing. I like it. I didn't expect that. I don't know why. I think because I have other fragrances by them, and they were very floral. So I think I was expecting something like that. But I like it. And I don't have anything like this that I can recall. So awesome. Let's keep going. Oh, this is the only other thing I remember was in here. Diana told me about this. This is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I know a lot of people like Diana swear by this and say it really works. I've been using castor oil. I am like a huge stan for castor oil. I use it all over my skin. I feel like it just, even under my makeup, I mean, I let it sit for a little bit before I put makeup on, and maybe not everyone loves that super dewy look, but I do. I think castor oil is amazing, and it's supposed to help grow your hair as well, your eyebrows and your eyelashes, I should say. But I don't know if I apply it correctly, especially for my lash line. Like I should get a brush or something. So I'm excited to try this as well. This is a 3-month supply, clear serum. I have longer looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. So I am going to try it. I think this is in a gold bottle. So this is $68. Oh my god, the retail value of this box is insane. I swear I think I've had this like forever ago. They have a brow version too. I'm trying to grow my brows because they're very sparse. I haven't plucked them or threaded them or anything in like 10 years, but they're still like that. But yeah, I'm excited to try that. Damn, $68? Wow. I'm excited about the next item. I think it's a lip balm. I've never tried this brand, but I love lip balm. Give me all of the lip balm. Bag balm. So it's like for your bag. I mean, that's probably where this is going for me. Fragrance free with vitamin E lip moisturizer. So it's just made with petroleum, squalane, lanolin, and vitamin E. Nice. So this is $5.99. Super happy to have this. Wow, this is, wait, maybe I have tried this before. It's been around for 125 years. It's a cult classic. Did it used to look different, the packaging? I don't know, maybe it's the first time I had it, but it sounds really familiar. I'm super excited to get that. So let's see what's next. This is so fun. This is so cute. Fruitia, derived from fruit, green grape pore control cream. So made with cold pressed juice liposome technology. 81% of it is antioxidant, tannin-rich green grapes instead of water to support skin's moisture barrier. Okay. So the full size is $24.10, but we have a sample size here. Look how cute it is. Does it smell like grapes? Ooh, it's got like a little bit of a thicker consistency, which definitely is good for what makes me think of the pore primers I've used, but it's not as thick, so I can see how it could help that way too. So I don't smell much, so that's good. That means they don't add, that I can tell, any fragrances. I don't really smell anything, and that's a good thing in my opinion. Because I don't like added fragrances and everything. But let's keep going. Oh, there's a little paper here that says, I'm in. Now I'm part of the Allure family. So you always get $100 in value or more. And you also get exclusive offers and tips and tricks. All right, so I think we have one more item. And this is another deluxe size. This is a hair item, I think. Oh, I love the mixture of items in here. How do you say this brand? I should know this. I've had them before. Kerastase? Soy Nacide Chroma Gloss. I don't know. This is a hair gloss, I think. So this is the deluxe version. The full size is 120 milliliters and $58. So this is an in-shower, at-home gloss that can extend your hair color. It's like popping into a salon when your hair looks dull. My hair looks vibrant when I treat it with this gloss, and I've seen a significant reduction in frizz. So use it once a week after shampooing. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. Nice. I've been working on my hair lately to make it look healthier. I don't think it's too bad. A little shiny. Obviously I use my wand just to give some beach waves. But I've been working on making my hair healthier and shinier, so I'm really excited to use this. Yeah, it says don't use it on your scalp. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, you don't want it to look oily there. So you just leave it on for a minute or two and rinse. I'm excited to try this out. And I like having a smaller size so I know if I want to commit. And I feel like even a smaller size of oil-based products usually last a while, at least for me. What do you guys think? And then we get one of those wine vouchers in here. But that was everything. I love this. Oh my gosh, of course I'm like the most excited about the Charlotte Tilbury because I need a bronzer, but everything's great. The perfume, the lash serum, the lip balm. I got a hair product like we just looked at. Face cream. I think this was totally worth the I think I spent $21 because I had a $5 off code and then there's like tax. So it was $20, like $20 plus a little bit of tax. I think it was totally worth that. I can't wait to use the bronzer. I'll have to let you guys know how that goes. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. And remember, do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.